Jordan, if I transition from a sole trader to a limited company, does my VAT registration threshold reset?
This is a common misconception. We see a lot of clients that will come to us and have registered as a limited company and believe that the 90k threshold is reset. It all depends upon whether it's a continuation of exactly the same business. So if you've got an operating business that's sole trader, you transfer into limited for the tax benefits, the legal benefits of that. But if everything remains the same suppliers, the same customers, the same business, the same shareholders, owners, and you transfer that across to the limited, it's called what's a continuation of business, whereby the trading turnover that you've done previously under sole trade is taken into account into the new limited company. Now this is an issue that's brought up with HMRC often, but it's good to know which side of the line you want to be on. So what you may want to do is basically make a slight change within the business model. So if you can bring in different shareholders, if you can bring in different services, different products, and argue that it is a different business, that in itself could potentially reset the VAT registration threshold. So just be aware of that. You don't want to end up with HMRC knocking at the door saying you should have been registered X and you owe us this much back. You want to make sure you're prepared and you're aware that you're on the right side of the law.